So we are very happy to be here in Pakistan, as it is our first time for the Texpo exhibition. We see a lot of companies, we have a lot of contact in the market. We hope this will be the beginning of the collaboration between our companies and Pakistani companies.
اكسبيشن فيري جود، ده اول مره اجي ازوره، وهو الحقيقه كويس بيعادل المعارض اللي انا بشوفها في اوروبا يعني.
You think that's his first time to be here, but it's almost because he's been to exhibitions in Europe as well, so it's almost the same, and he really had fun.
Exhibition is very excellent, very well arrangement, very crowded, very good showroom, and the exhibitor. It is a good product of Pakistani product. It is very famous over the world. We hope to do a good business with Pakistani factories and companies.
I think the exhibition has been wonderful so far. It's been very well organized by the TDAP, so I'm very happy to be invited as a delegate from the Netherlands. So yeah, I've been enjoying myself very much.